Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Jane's Agenda December edition subscription box, and I can't believe that we're already in December, but I am super excited to be diving into this box because everything looks beautiful. So I'll go ahead and leave all of the information linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested in subscribing to her sub box. I absolutely love her box. I actually just subscribed to her sub box again because when I had switched over to rings, not rings, but coil, I had no use for this anymore. But as soon as I knew that I was going to go back to discs, I knew that I wanted to subscribe to her box again because I absolutely love everything that's included in her box. So I did have a November planner refresh from my November sub box and an unboxing of the November sub box in case you guys want to get an idea of what items are included and how I use her items. I'll go ahead and link both of those videos down in the description box below. And actually, let me just show you really quick what I did. So this is my Franken planner. It has my fitness and social media, and this cover is from Live Love Posh. I do have it on clear discs, but this is the magazine cover from Jane's Agenda's November sub box, and I layered it with this pretty dashboard from her box as well. And I just think it looks so pretty, and I just love this setup. So once I finish unboxing December sub box, I am going to do another planner refresh for the month of December, and I'm just so excited because I just love all things winter and holidays. So look at this already. I am already loving the tissue paper. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. That way we can see it better. So, ooh, look at that. Okay, so we have this little card, and it just says everything that's included in this sub box. So this is the Deluxe Subscription Box, which means that everything is included. So I am just gonna put this off to the side so maybe I can reference it. But look at this. This is already so pretty. All right. So let's see. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dive into all of this. Okay, so let's see. Let's put that off to the side. And the first thing that I see is this cute little paper clip with some journaling cards. Look at this. How pretty is this green Christmas tree paper clip? Oh, I cannot wait to use this one. And let's see, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, it is. And I am under no obligation to make sense to you. Oh, that's so cute. And then, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Okay, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with these already. And then we have this little bookmark. So let's see, it is so pretty. Look at this. I love the pattern, and I actually love that she included the calendar right here, because if you look at November's, this is November. So it was just plain and simple, just the way that I like it. But this one actually has the design up here and down here and the calendar here in the middle. So this is going to be perfect. So then let's see what we have here. So it's red and black. And let's see. Okay, so like a page finder, like if you just clip it to your page. Okay, so yeah, I think that's what this is. I am trying to look at the little tour dashboard that we got. because it doesn't say it here, but black and red page marker tab. So yeah, you just put it like on your page. So say this is the actual page, you just like slide it in there, and that way you can find your place. So this is going to be perfect. You can never have too many page markers, right? So we have this one, and then now we have these two. Absolutely perfect. I feel like with this sub box, I end up using everything. And look at this right here. I think this is the thing that I was most excited about. Look at this beautiful cover. Ooh, did you see that? It was kind of layered. So this one just has those two snowflakes, and look at that shine to it. Noel, very, very beautiful. And so this would then be the back cover. So full of snowflakes. Look at that. I love the red. It is going to be perfect. The foil is just absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to set up my planner for December. It is going to be perfect. Okay, so then we are going to have some dashboards. Oh wait, this is vellum. Look at how beautiful that already looks layered. I just love that with this sub box, you can layer and layer and layer, like all kinds of layering, and I am here for that. I love that. But look at this one. Look at how pretty the colors are, the scene. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then look at this, like the sunrise with the pine trees and the snow and the water. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. And then let's see, maybe this could get layered as well. The possibilities are truly endless. You can switch things out, move things around. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love this. Yeah, so this one is Snowy Switzerland Village, and this one is the winter scene. They are both absolutely stunning. And then this little vellum, oh my gosh, very, very pretty. So let me put this back. Okay, so then, wow, look at this. This is stunning. Oh my gosh, I cannot say that enough. Okay. Oh, there we go. Look at this. So this one is the hybrid dashboard. 'Twas the night. How pretty is this? I love the script. I love the trees down here. This is gonna be perfect. Oh yeah, this is very pretty. Okay, so then look at this. Oh my gosh, we're getting so spoiled over here. Okay, look at this right here. Oh, I am obsessed with this one. Oh, this is like a cover, right? So we can either do this one and this one, or switch it to this pattern right here. Very pretty. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. And look how it would look layered with this vellum, right? Like, it just looks so pretty. Okay, so now I want to see how it would look with the cover. Oh yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. And then look at this. So pretty as well. You cannot go wrong regardless of what you choose to layer it with. Everything is just going to match so well and just be absolutely perfect together. Okay, so back over there. Let's add this. Oh, I am in love with this. Okay, so then let's move over here. What do we have here? So I see like a yearly overview. Year at a glance 2023. Oh, this is very thick. Ooh, holidays 2023. This is going to be perfect. Yes, very, very perfect. And I chose to subscribe to her sub box in the size classic for the 9 discs, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the classic size. But you guys can choose any size that you would like. You just have to go on there and decide, and then you'll receive it every single month. Okay, so we have like the month, and then it lists, and then we have the holidays down here. So we have quarter 1, and then quarter 2 over here, quarter 3, and quarter 4, and then a task list. Okay. So yeah, this is a quick overview, and I love that. So we have 2023 goals. And again, quarter 1. So we have category and project. And then for January, we have goal and actual. And that just continues on to quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. And then we have 2023 goals, 2023 quarterly planner, and then we have projects / big tasks and when it's due, and then date and important events, and then a section for notes for quarter 1, and then notes back here, and then quarter 2 and notes, quarter 3 and notes, and then you guessed right, maybe that's supposed to say quarter 4 and not quarter 3, right? I think that's a little typo. And then we have the ideal day. So from midnight all the way to 11:30, and then we have noon all the way to 11:30 p.m. Okay, so ideal week, and then it's Monday through Sunday, and we have morning, afternoon, and evening. Ooh, look at this. Books to read. Book, author, and recommended by. Oh, this is perfect for all those book lovers. I wish I had time to read with 4 kids. I just do not have the time, or to even watch any type of shows. We try to watch movies because we do it as a family, so this one would be perfect. So this one says show / movie, where to watch, and recommended by. And then, okay, the back is the same. And then level 10 life tracker. So we have area of life, and then 1 through 10. So maybe like checking it off. Area. Okay, so we have a few of these boxes. Okay, so I love these inserts. These are actually going to be very perfect. Perfect for those 2023 goals. So I just love that her boxes include inserts, because the ones that we received for the November sub box were like gift ideas and lists. And then look at this. We have a green cardstock planner pocket. Beautiful. I love the color and just how simple it is. So it's just in the front. Okay, perfect. And look at this. Oh my gosh, this is actually pretty heavy. All of her items are just top-notch quality, and that is what I love about her sub box. Look at these black plastic tabbed dividers. So I just love how simple they are with the numbers. So January, February, so very unique. I love that. So we don't have the month, we have it numbered. And look, just plain and simple. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I just love the simplicity of them. So of course we're going to get 12 of these, and these are just such great quality. I cannot believe that this was included with our sub box. Okay, I am absolutely blown away with everything that is included. I don't have words. This is amazing. I think it's definitely worth the price. Again, I will have everything linked down in the description box below. So we have the black plastic tab dividers. And then we have the green cardstock pocket. And then we have our planner insert pack. So lots of goal setting, quarterly planning, ideal day/week, to read, to watch, and level 10 life tracker. So these are perfect for all of those goals that we're going to have for 2023. And then we have our 'Twas the Night little hybrid dashboard. Absolutely stunning. We have these two little like covers, and I love these. Like, isn't it so pretty? I definitely think so. I think these are just absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to switch out and layer and just do all of the things with everything that's included in here. The dashboards are all just so pretty. I cannot stress that enough. I was really excited about this box. It is just breathtaking. Everything is just so pretty. This cover is going to look amazing. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for another little planner refresh for the month of December using all of these Jane's Agenda things from her December sub box. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.